Look up at the night sky. Somewhere out there, in the vast darkness between stars, there's a profound silence, a silence that has puzzled humanity for nearly a century. Welcome to the Fermi Paradox. If the universe is so vast and so old, why haven't we heard from any advanced civilizations? Today, we're exploring the chilling possibility that they might be deliberately hiding from us. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi famously asked a simple question during lunch with colleagues: where is everybody? This question gave birth to what we now call the Fermi Paradox, the puzzling contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial civilizations existing and the complete lack of evidence for them. The math suggests our galaxy should be teeming with intelligent life. Our Milky Way galaxy contains over 200 billion stars, and many of them are billions of years older than our Sun. If even a small fraction of these stars host planets with intelligent life, there could be thousands of advanced civilizations in our galaxy alone. Some of these civilizations could have had billions of years to develop technology far beyond our understanding. One terrifying explanation is what's called the zoo hypothesis. Perhaps advanced civilizations are deliberately avoiding us, watching from a distance like zookeepers observing animals in a reserve. Another darker theory, known as the dark forest theory, suggests the universe is like a dark forest where every civilization stays silent because announcing your presence could mean instant destruction. Perhaps the Great Silence isn't a mystery at all, it's a warning. If advanced civilizations have learned that communication means annihilation, then their silence isn't ignorance, it's survival. As we continue broadcasting our existence into space, we might want to consider, are we making a catastrophic mistake, or is the universe truly empty, except for us? But what if the silence isn't accidental? What if it's a warning someone is trying to send us? In 1977, a powerful radio signal nicknamed the WOW was detected at Ohio State's Big Ear Telescope, a narrowband signal at 1420 MHz, exactly the hydrogen line, the cosmic frequency any intelligent civilization would theoretically use. It lasted 72 seconds, never repeated, and has never been satisfactorily explained. Was it a beacon? A distress call? Or a warning? The Drake equation, formulated in 1961, was supposed to give us an answer. 7 variables multiplied together: star formation rates, planetary abundance, the emergence of life, the rise of intelligence, should tell us how many communicative civilizations exist. But here's the terrifying math: if even any of those variables is 0, the entire equation collapses. That variable might be something we haven't even discovered yet, a great filter, an inevitable self-destruction that every technological civilization eventually hits. And if that filter lies in our future, not our past, the silence isn't a mystery. It's a prophecy. Consider what we actually broadcast into space: television signals, radar pulses, military communications, our expanding sphere of electromagnetic noise traveling at light speed, now nearly 100 light-years wide. We've been shouting our location to the cosmos for over a century. And here's the horrifying possibility: the very civilizations who might answer that shout could be the ones who destroyed themselves, or the ones who heard other cries and learned exactly what happens to those who respond. The silence might not mean we're alone. It might mean we're already marked. Now consider the darkest possibility of all. What if the silence exists because the universe is being harvested? What if there are predatory civilizations, or perhaps something older and stranger, not living beings in any sense we understand, but vast systems optimized purely for expansion and consumption. In this reading, advanced civilizations don't hide because they are cruel. They hide because the smart ones survive, and survival means absolute concealment. Every moment we transmit, we roll the dice. Every time we listen to the silence and hear nothing, we might be witnessing the aftermath of someone else who wasn't quiet enough. And so we arrive at the most unsettling truth: the universe's silence isn't an empty room, it's a dark forest where every creature hides, because the cost of being heard is annihilation. The same curiosity that drives us to broadcast our existence may be the very thing that marks us for extinction. For over a century, we've been screaming into the cosmos: radio broadcasts, television signals, radar pulses, each one a beacon advertising our location to whatever might be listening. We've already made our choice, centuries ago, without understanding the stakes. The great filter looms: if intelligent civilizations inevitably destroy themselves through war, technology, or indifference, then our silence may be the silence of the grave. The galaxy isn't empty because advanced life is impossible, it may be empty because advanced life cannot survive long enough to be found. And yet, paradoxically, the silence offers our only hope. If predatory cosmic forces or expansionist civilizations truly dominate the galaxy, our decades of radio noise may have gone unnoticed, our fingerprints too faint, our signals too weak to mark us as prey. We might still have time to learn discretion. The great silence asks us a single question: will we continue shouting into a dark forest we barely understand, or will we learn to listen, to hide, to survive? The answer may define not just our future, but whether we have one at all.